Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information, Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. Amidst the ongoing nationwide discussions on Article 142, the Constitution, and the powers of Parliament and the administration, and in the context of the crucial Waqf case hearing scheduled for 15th May 2025, it becomes extremely necessary to revisit a historic judgment in Indian constitutional history. This video aims to provide valuable information on this important subject that shapes the future of our democracy and the rights of citizens. Today, I'll explain the most important constitutional case in Indian legal history, the landmark judgment Kesavananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala. In this landmark judgment, the Supreme Court ruled that Parliament cannot destroy the basic structure of the Constitution, a decision that continues to safeguard our fundamental rights and democratic values even today. Section 1. Case Introduction. The full case title is His Holiness Kesavananda Bharati Shripad Galvaru vs. State of Kerala and another case number. Petition, Civil, number 135 of 1970. Date of filing, 21st March 1970. Judgment date, 24th April 1973. Citation, AIR 1973 SC 1461. It was decided by a 13-judge constitution bench, the largest in Indian history. The decision changed the course of constitutional law in India forever. Here's the full list of the 13 judges who given the verdict were: 1 Chief Justice S.M. Sikri, 2 Justice J.M. Shelat, 3 Justice K.S. Hegde, 4 Justice A.N. Grover, 5 Justice A.N. Ray, 6 Justice P. Jagmohan Reddy, 7 Justice D.G. Palekar, 8 Justice H.R. Khanna, 9 Justice K.K. Matthew, 10 Justice M.H. Beg, 11 Justice S.N. Dwivedi, 12 Justice Y.V. Chandrachud, and 13 Justice A.K. Mukherjee. The verdict was split 7-6, a razor-thin majority. Background of the case. Kesavananda Bharati was the head of Ednir Mutt, a Hindu religious institution in Kerala. The Kerala Land Reforms Act, 1969 aimed to acquire land from religious institutions for redistribution. Kesavananda challenged this under Article 25 Freedom of Religion, Article 26 Management of Religious Affairs, Article 14 Right to Equality, Article 19, 1, F, Right to Property, now repealed, Article 31 Compulsory Acquisition of Property, also repealed. But the core issue became, can Parliament amend any part of the Constitution, including fundamental rights? Key issues framed by the court were: 1. Is Parliament's power to amend the Constitution unlimited? 2. Can it alter or destroy fundamental rights? 3. Does the Constitution have a basic structure that cannot be amended? 4. What is the role of the Supreme Court in protecting this structure? These questions challenged the supremacy of Parliament versus the supremacy of the Constitution. Section 5. Arguments from the Kesavananda Bharati side. Parliament cannot destroy or damage the essential features of the Constitution. Amending power under Article 368 is not the power to destroy. Fundamental rights are part of the core identity of the Constitution. Arguments from the State of Kerala's side. Parliament's power under Article 368 is supreme and unlimited. It can amend any part of the Constitution, including fundamental rights. No concept of basic structure is found in the Constitution's text. Section 6. Court's observations and judgment. The majority held that Parliament can amend the Constitution, but not its basic structure. The term amend does not mean destroy. The basic structure doctrine was introduced. What is this basic structure? Though not exhaustively defined, it includes supremacy of the Constitution, rule of law, separation of powers, judicial review, secularism and federalism, independence of the judiciary and fundamental rights. The court overruled the earlier Golaknath judgment in part but still protected essential features. Section 7. Impact of the judgment. It safeguarded democracy by ensuring Parliament cannot damage core values. It strengthened judicial review, allowing courts to protect constitutional identity. It protected fundamental rights, making sure they remain untouchable by simple amendments. The basic structure doctrine became a powerful tool in future cases like Indira Gandhi vs. Raj Narain, 1975. Minerva Mills vs. Union of India, 1980. I.R. Coelho vs. State of Tamil Nadu, 2007. The Kesavananda Bharati case ensured that no matter who holds power, the Constitution remains the supreme law of the land. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.